Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Focus, and if you need to locate or replace, guys, your front crash airbag sensors, also known as impact sensors, you have two of them, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, how to remove them and how to replace them. Now the procedure is very dangerous for your airbag system. You have to know what you're doing, guys, so consider that more like entertaining video and not a how-to video, unless you're professional guys that know how the airbag system and all that stuff works, but we'll demonstrate what we do in our case. Now, quick introduction, guys. We have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Let me show you guys what we'll be doing here now. First, we'll have to disconnect the car battery on that Ford Focus, guys. So that's the first step that we'll be doing. Why? Because every time you work on your airbag system, disconnect the car battery 1 hour, okay, before you start working on the airbag system. That way, guys, you will minimize the risk for something going wrong, but there is always a possibility for something to go wrong and kill you, so always be careful with your airbag system, guys. Now we'll go ahead and disconnect the car battery. So we're going to remove that cover here. This is for the car battery. First, guys, it's super important how you disconnect the battery. You always remove the negative cable first, and in my case, guys, I'm not using gloves, but you need to use gloves, because that acid from the battery can burn your skin, cause irritation and cause quite a bit of damage, guys, that you may not even recover from, because battery acid is really bad for you. Okay, I'm almost loose on this side. Negative is out, and now I'm going to disconnect the positive cable as well. Just the same 10mm. Okay, this one is disconnected. Make sure that it doesn't touch each other. Put something. Okay, we'll wait 1 hour and we'll continue. Once you open the hood, guys, on the inside, okay, and you have your car battery disconnected of your radiator support, you will notice you have two sensors. One here, one, guys, over there. This, guys, is your airbag sensors. Okay, that's where the airbag sensors are located. One is for the front right side, one is for the front left. So if we come from this angle right here, okay, I will be able, I think, okay, to show you guys what we'll be doing now. First, okay, I'll go ahead and disconnect the wire. Okay, right here. On the bottom, guys, there is one thing that you press in. Okay, and you disconnect your wire. Okay, I'm talking about right here. Now we are going to get a 10mm deep socket, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the nut here, guys. Okay, it's getting loose slowly. It's very long bolt, and it doesn't go by hand, guys. Those are self-locking nuts, so that way from vibrations, okay, your airbag sensor will not come loose, because that could be catastrophic. Okay, just a little bit more left and we'll be there, guys. Let me see if I can just turn it by hand now. Towards the end, yep. Make sure I don't drop the nut somewhere. This is, guys, the 10mm nut that we just removed. And now I'm just going to grab that sensor. Okay, and pull it out. Let me show you now what that sensor looks like, guys. Okay, this is your front impact crash airbag sensor on Ford Focus. You need to install it in exactly the same way we removed that thing, guys. You can see that's how we did it, not very complicated. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you doing that work. Later, guys, when you install it, you have to connect your battery after you install it. Make sure that you stay out of the vehicle, guys. Don't stay in front of airbags. When you connect the battery, make sure something's not going right. And again, this is an entertaining video, not a how-to video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.